Okay, so download community edition, which is this. Go to JetBrains and go to Intellij community edition, and then go and download it. So once you download it, you will get that wonderful exe file or DMG file and normal installation. Click OK, 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 OK. Download this. Oh, sorry, this. All right. It's already there in my system, so I don't have any problem. And this is the first time I'm telling for you. Okay, for all the other guys, anyone you can ask her. We did Eclipse, right? You are here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, create a new project. Hopefully you should have Java in your local machine. I think you already might have. Otherwise, download Java JDK version. Okay, not JRE version, JDK version into download. Okay, and make sure that you have Java home and path and everything, normal stuff that we do for Java. Okay. Okay, go here and create any project with whatever the name that you want. Okay, so typically it will be my name. Okay, do it, and see, it is all, everything will be by default. Okay, so when you do that, okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, you have videos, but you should know how it works. Okay, and it is same for Apple and Windows also. It is very good. Good. Okay, so yes. So you have project here, which is very good, and you have some default folder structure which is already there. Okay, so try to create, see again, it is very simple. Try to create a new class file. So right click it, new Java class. Okay, and create the name. So WebDriver sample. So sample test, something like that. Because we are using Java, make it as little bit this one, sample tests. Okay, all capitals. Okay, there are some basic grammar things that we need to do as a part of Java development. Okay, so if you do that, you'll get this wonderful class. And see, first of all, practice yourself, then try to export. So now the exercise that we will do is, we will actually develop from scratch by ourselves. We will compare with what that particular export is giving. So we actually we'll do everything by ourselves, what it is doing. So you do one thing, first of all, develop by yourself, and then export and put it in different class, and you'll compare it, what it is doing or what you are doing. Okay, so like that. So yeah, for every class we need to create some object. This is a class. We need to create a public void test case 1. Okay. Okay, and what is the notation? Okay. అనగానే తిడుతుంది మిమ్మల్ని, ఆ తిట్టడం దానికి సహజమే, ఎందుకంటే మన లైన్లో పడం. ఓకే, సో and you do this, it will add unit to the class path. Okay, that's it. Simple. Okay, so see, again, it is very intelligent, so it will help you at that. So now, just to test whether it is working or not, system dot println, I think you know, right? What is the difference between ln and print? ఇది బాగా నేర్చుకుంటారు బేసిక్స్. ఓకే, okay. Okay, how to run it? Again, right click, run test case 1, and it should run. Simple. The best way to learn Java is write code. Okay. Okay, happy? Happy? Okay, now problem starts. So yes, for every class that we are writing, we need to have some library files to get help from. So typically now we need to download a library file which is a part of WebDriver, Selenium's jar file. So we need to create a library. So WebDriver that we are creating here is nothing but an interface, and this is nothing but a class. But we need to get it from somewhere. We are not writing from scratch. Somebody have to give it. Who will give it? Selenium guys will give it. So how to get that? So this is Java file, but all the Java files are bucketed and kept into a file called jar file. So jar file is nothing but set of Java files. So that is the reason why you can't singly get any Java file in internet, but you need to get as a part of a bucket. So there may be a lot of dependencies. So we need to download a jar file from internet. Where we need to download it? Selenium. Okay, so there is no other source than our Bible page called seleniumhq.org. Okay, so everything that we do is from here. Okay, so seleniumhq.org. Okay, that's it. Okay, go to downloads. What we need to download now? Need to download WebDriver. Ekkundi? Is it okay? So this will give a wonderful zip file. Okay, this wonderful zip file will take some time. చాలా టైం పడుతున్నట్టుంది. సో ఒకవేళ డౌన్లోడ్ అయిపోతే ఆఫ్టర్ డౌన్లోడింగ్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్, you will get a zip file. So that zip file I think I already have. Let us see. It's taking some time. Okay, wait for some time. It's taking 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it is taking some time. Okay. So once it got downloaded, what we have to do is we need to add that as a part of our libraries. So we have an option to add that any kind of jar files into libraries. So we can download any number of jar files in the world. We have a lot of things in the internet we can download and put as a part of our library path, and we can start writing the code around that. So for that purpose, what we can do is there is something called this project structure, Intellij. Okay, and you have an option called libraries. Click on here. Right now we don't have any libraries here. So click on plus. It will see Maven is very much integrated with that, but we'll do that a little bit later. Let us go with Java. So it will ask where is your Java file. Right now my Java file is not there here. It is there in downloads. So where it is here, download. So once the download is done, it will come here. Oh no, cancel. No. Okay. So downloads, you need to get this Selenium, right? So it will be somewhere here once it got downloaded. Okay, right now let us go with this. I'll tell you. Okay, so once that is done, what will happen is you can see that wonderful library file coming as a part of here. Okay, so you can see that what are the different libraries available for you. A lot of libraries. Okay, and what is that we are important? We don't really care about anything else than only one particular kind of libraries. What is that library? It's nothing but we have Opera, we have blah blah blah, so many things. Okay, so the point is, don't look into that. Okay, so let us go with our business. So what we are doing? Tell me the syntax. What we need to do? So it will show all these things. Go to simple thing. Okay, so it will ask. This is a small bulb here. Okay, so that bulb will help us to do all these things. So import class, the first option. If we import it, so we need to have an import command to use that library basically. So that this is a part of Java thing. Okay, so see, but now it is showing that. So what is the problem here? This is exactly what I'm talking about this. Okay, so what it is telling? It is telling that WebDriver is abstract, cannot be instantiated. Means it is an interface. We can't get an object for that. Sorry. So what is the solution for that? What is the object? What is the class name that we need to create here? Firefox. Okay, simple. Okay, so instead of WebDriver, now you have to put okay, happy? Now, whenever we started, we need to stop it. See, these are all the commands that WebDriver will give. Okay, so right now don't worry about that. That's it. You run it, what should happen? You should open the browser and close it. Okay, it should not do anything else. So let us do that experiment. Okay. Okay, welcome చెప్పింది but ఆ తర్వాత now it is trying to open your Firefox driver. Okay, okay, because the screen resolution we can't see it, but it is actually opening. Okay, so let us put some wait command for this for a moment. Okay, so let us, so there is a command called thread.sleep. Let us wait for 10 seconds. Okay, you can see that is the browser open now? Closed, but it is not stopping. Let us wait for some time so that it will make it into stop. Okay, so run it. See, now we can see that 10 seconds it will wait, and we can see that the browser is getting opened and closed. The same way, if you want to open Chrome browser, what we have to do? Chrome.exe. Okay, but Okay, so if you want to open Internet Explorer, what I need to do? అన్న చాలా తప్పు. I mean Mac machine. Can I open Internet Explorer? ఆలోచించండి. Okay, so now it opened. Wait for 10 seconds. It will close. Okay, so parallelly we'll open Chrome also. All right. So Chrome I need to do. Okay, makes sense. But as I said, we need to have that exe file. So there is a little bit of code that we need to copy paste from somewhere. I'll tell you. Where is the Chrome? Okay, so it will see there are different places it will get downloaded. So don't worry about from where it is coming. Okay, so let us get that code. So a little bit of code we need to write to to actually start that Chrome driver.exe. Okay, because it's a little bit plugin that we need to invoke, otherwise it won't work. So see, if I run it also, it will. Now if I can run also, it won't work. So the only reason behind that is it will say that I need that plugin should be added as a part of something. Okay, see. Okay, Saga. What it is telling, the path to driver executable must be set something like that. We need to put one particular line of code. So that line of code where I will get code to run Chrome driver in Selenium environment. Okay, smooth గా పాడతాను అయితే. Okay. Okay. Waiting for plus.google.com. Come on. Okay. Yeah, so that is the code to run is something like this. Is that? There's a little bit small line of code. In Mac, right? We're in Mac, so I'll tell you how to do it. In Mac. I can write it system.out, system.environment dot something like that, because you know that I'm very lazy. I will copy it from internet. Okay. Okay, so the code that we get is this. It's a small bit of code. Internet is very slow. Come on. Sorry guys, internet is a little bit slow. I think we can use the LAN connection, right? But have internet. Why we are not using that? It's a small bit of code. Where is that? This one. Okay, so yeah, this one, set system.set property, and here we need to put the actual code. So again, now everything is in Java, so what I will do is put this line of code here. Okay, so instead of that, put this, and you need to download that particular exe file from your that same thing, where I will put the actual path. So where is the path? The path of that file, it is already downloaded somewhere in my local machine, so I will take this out. chrvo. Okay, chrome driver.exe, chrvo. Okay, not here. It is in up down documents, automation. Give me 1 minute, I'll tell you where it is. In automation, I think it is there here. Yes, this one. Okay, so this one I need to have. So right click here, get the path of that. Okay, get info, and automation. Okay, Control C, copy it, paste it somewhere here. Oh no. Okay, copy column. ఒక్క నిమిషం, give me 1 minute. Okay, so if you copy it, paste it, Chrome driver, right? That's it. So this is double quotes. Okay, this line you can copy paste. I will send you an email if you want, and if you run it, it will open the Chrome browser and close it. Okay. So the other part. Oops. Okay, so it's starting Chrome driver. Everything it will work. Okay, don't worry. So it is a small thing called Chrome, which is jumping. You can see it, right? So that is the Chrome. It will open, close. The system is a little bit busy, so that's why it will take some time. But typically, it will open the browser and close the browser. Okay. ఇలాంటి పనులు నువ్వా చంటికాడు మంచి హైపర్ యాక్టివ్ ఉన్నట్టున్నాడు. Okay, very good. So anyway, the next thing which will happen is, let us learn some commands. All right. So I think we learned some commands in Selenium IDE, some section of commands. Okay, so you have to tell me what are the commands that we learned. అది అలా రావాలి వాయిస్. రికార్డింగ్ ఆపేద్దాం అంటారా?